Hi ladies, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be painting our nails. If you have not watched the previous video, please do watch it, where I took off the red nails that I had and filed my nails. And today we're going to put in a more elegant nail. I got this from a beauty store. It's called Favor Beauty. So I've never tried this color before. I hope it comes out okay and beautiful. So if you have not watched the previous video, please watch it after this one so you know how to take off your nails. So my nails presently have been see, and I'll go light patiently. This color before, then I turn the other side to light. I don't recommend you make it too thick, make it too light, because if it's too thick it's going to waste your nail off, like when you're trying to take it out. Okay. So we are not done yet. It's almost drying. By the time I am painting this other part, the previous part is almost done. So I'm not just going to leave it like this, because if we leave it like this, it will not look as classy as we would want. So we're going to do some finishing just to get that expensive lady vibe. Okay. How can I not see that? So I had to get. Okay, today's nail class is just here and there, but of course, when you're trying something for the first time, it's not going to go as planned. So we hope that subsequent ones will come out finer than this. And I've never tried this color before, ladies. I don't even know why of all colors I should start with this on this nail class. But we move. As he said, every disappointment is a blessing. I usually go on with this colorless nail polish just to give it a shine. Okay, I was hoping to show you ladies the difference. Now, look at this nail and look at this nail. You see that this one looks more glamorous than this, looks more beautiful than this. This is just flat, but this is a game changer. This looks better. I don't know. Let me take it closer to the light. This particular nail looks better than this. So the essence is you just use this colorless nail hardener, and you can use any brand of your choice and just give it an extra shine. Here we go, ladies. I'm done fixing my nails, and these are elegant nails. Like, nobody is going to tell me anything. These nails are beautiful, they are classy. I can wear them to any occasion. I can wear them to an office, I can wear them to a date, I can wear them on any outfit of my choice, and they are giving what they ought to give. So if you liked today's video, if you learned something, let me know in the comment section. If you want me to try other colors as well, let me know in the comment section. I'm definitely trying different colors. So subscribe if you haven't. This new series on how to fix our nails, affordable ways to make your nail look elegant and classy. And I love you all, ladies. If you're not subscribed, kindly do so. Subscribe, join in the fun, hit the subscribe button, ensure to turn on your post notifications. I love you all. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.